delicious. Who else loves herbal soups? My family can't get enough. Nothing beats that warm, soothing feeling after a bowl.
That cut diet is a meaty herbal soup with pork ribs, while vegetarian mushroom tea is a meat-free version made with mushrooms and herbs. The herbs in that cut tea, like angelica root, ligusticum, and wolfberries, are warming and blood-activating, while vegetarian mushroom tea uses milder herbs such as red dates, codonopsis, and astragalus for a nourishing yet light flavor. Though both may share some ingredients like goji berries, that cut tea's blend focuses on combating cold and boosting circulation, whereas the mushroom version emphasizes hydration and gentle tonification. The herb combinations differ to suit meat versus plant-based ingredients. The herbal pack I bought contains ingredients like black dates, bangui, chuangxiang, goji berries, polygonatum pepper, codonopsis, prepared ramania, star anise, dried tangerine peel, and cinnamon. Ingredients: herbal pack, button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, fried bean curd, vegan seafood tofu, traditional tofu, egg, yaomak vegetable. Cooking is all about personal taste. Toss in whatever makes you happy. I originally prepared tofu puffs, but sadly found them moldy after opening. They were inedible even before the expiry date. What a waste! Remember to always check your ingredients when shopping. Don't just rely on the expiry date. To clean mushrooms, rinse them under running water to remove dirt, then soak them gilside down in lightly salted water for 5 minutes to eliminate debris, and finish with a fresh water rinse. Avoid over-soaking to prevent sogginess, and never scrub harshly to maintain their texture. Gently squeeze excess water from the mushrooms before slicing or dicing. This helps them soak up the broth's flavor more effectively. Sliced mushrooms blend softly into the broth, while cubed ones maintain a meaty bite. Choose based on your soup style. Sliced mushrooms work best in clear broths for subtle flavor infusion, while cubed chunks are ideal for hearty stews or as a plant-based meat substitute to add texture. This brand's vegetarian mushroom tea herbal pack comes with pre-ground herbs in convenient soup sachets, plus a separate packet of black dates. Such a smart and practical combo. No need to measure or strain. Just simmer and enjoy the balanced herbal goodness instantly. Simmer the broth first, chop ingredients, later maximize your cooking speed. The key to an aromatic brew: slow cook the herbal pack, dates, and mushrooms to extract maximum umami. That's the soul of a proper vegetarian mushroom tea. 30 minutes on soup mode in the pressure cooker does the trick. Since I'm adding boiled eggs anyway, let's steam them simultaneously. Efficiency win. To peel boiled eggs, gently crack the shell, cool them in water, then slide a spoon along the surface to lift the egg out smoothly. I mastered this trick because I make lunch for my pup daily. Turns out it's the easiest method, haha.
Why are hard-boiled eggs sometimes so hard to peel?
Fresh eggs cling tighter due to their acidic whites bond strongly to the membrane. Insufficient cooling fails to shrink the egg away from the shell. Aggressive or timid cracking tears the delicate white. Pro solution: add 1 tsp baking soda. Alkaline neutralizes acid while boiling. Let sit covered for 5 minutes post-boil. Then I shuck. Yomaitsai lettuce. Just rinse, tear, and toss in both. Make this soup crisp tasty. Yomai vegetable offers a crisp bite with herbal notes and visible fibers, while lettuce is tenderly juicy with a sweet, near fiberless texture. Yomai ca* packs more calcium, fiber, and vitamin K, while lettuce is hydrating, low-calorie, and contains soothing lacticarium. The enoki mushroom and herbal mushroom tea pair perfectly. Enoki's crisp texture complements the tea's earthy depth, while delivering fiber and essential minerals. This low-calorie, high-protein combo is ideal for health-conscious eaters. Mushrooms, umami richness, and herbal mushroom tea's aromatic depth create a perfect harmony for both palate and wellness. Mushrooms provide vitamin D for bone strength and potassium for blood pressure control, making them ideal for seniors' dietary needs. The natural polysaccharides boost immunity, while their tender texture is easy to chew, a perfect senior-friendly superfood. Traditional tofu acts like a flavor sponge, soaking up the herbal essence of mushroom tea to deliver a dance of bean curd richness and medicinal aroma. Its porous texture traps broth beautifully, preserving calcium content while infusing herbal benefits, gentle enough for sensitive stomachs. Traditional tofu offers high-quality plant protein and calcium, while herbal mushroom tea adds antioxidants, creating a nourishing, low-cholesterol duo. The isoflavones in tofu and polyphenols in herbs work synergistically to combat aging and boost metabolism, ideal for those with cardiovascular concerns. Throw in some plant-based fish tofu for extra umami. Anyone else obsessed with this pairing? Everything's prepped, just simmer the broth, toss in the ingredients, and it's ready to devour. Easy as that.
Sharing herbal mushroom tea with family isn't just about the aromatic broth, it's simmered with love and togetherness. Don't you agree?
Every spoonful of this brew carries the warmth of home, wouldn't you say? The moment you lift the lid, the whole house fills with that heavenly herbal aroma. Soup's ready. Now's the time to customize. Add salt or soy sauce to taste. Prefer a darker broth? A splash of dark soy sauce will give it that rich color. Optional to add mushroom powder. Omit if you don't like the taste. Once the broth is perfectly seasoned, toss in all your ingredients and let them simmer together to soak up all that flavor. Tender ingredients, tofu, mushrooms need just 3 to 5 minutes, while plant-based meats or root veggies require 10 minutes max. Overcooking masks the herbal tea's delicate aroma. Last step, throw in those emerald greens. Let them wilt just slightly. Soup's ready to wow. Blanch my vegetables for 30 seconds, then ice shock crispness and color locked in. My vegetable crisp sweetness perfectly complements the herbal depth of mushroom tea, creating layered flavors in every bite. This low-calorie, high-fiber duo satisfies both taste buds and nutritional needs with vitamin K and antioxidants. The herbal mushroom tea is ready. Its aromatic steam makes everyone grab their spoons in no time. The aromatic herbal broth fills the air, each spoonful delivering both flavor and comfort. Silky tofu becomes a savory flavor bomb, while plant-based seafood tofu brings bounty sweetness like ocean's gift. Crispy yalmak vegetable brightens the richness, mushrooms adding woody depth. Bean curd skins honeycomb texture traps broth, while silky egg ties all flavors together. This bubbling pot of joy is a symphony of ingredients and herbal magic. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Wednesdays are for sharing my vegan life with you. Food finds, veg-friendly spots plus your Q&A. Thanks for being awesome! Perspectives on vegan food naming, for example, vegan chicken, vegan fish, or vegan meat opinions vary, and we respect all viewpoints. These names help consumers recognize flavors while sparking cultural discussions. The key is clear ingredient labeling for informed choices. Whether traditional or creative, the goal is promoting plant-based diversity. Embracing different needs makes veganism more accessible. Respect differences. Deliciousness wins. TL. The R. Agree to disagree taste rules. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.